Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are talking about the Allure Beauty Box. This is the unboxing for the month of August. If you don't know, Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month, but your first month you can get like a $5 off and it'll be $10 a month. So let's just get right into it. It comes with their little sheet right here. I never look in it because I like to be surprised. And the first thing I see is from Nexxus, which is a hair brand. And this is a Carafix Damage Healing Conditioner for severely damaged hair. Well, that's me. I don't usually use conditioners, but I'll give it a shot. And this is the shampoo that goes with it. These are both 3 ounces, which isn't pretty okay. At least they're not those fucking, you know, foil packets. I hate when I get those. All right, you get a $30 off Breda. I don't know what that means. Oh, it's a watch company. I don't wear watches. Not 1992. All right, and oh, okay, here's the Laneige sleeping mask. I have a full one of these, so I'll just save this for a giveaway. All right, the next is, by Caudalie, and this is the Venosource Moisturizing Sorbet. I love Caudalie. So what is special about this? Now, the prices in here are for the full size, so I never repeat them because what's the point, because they're not full size. This is a lightweight moisturizer. It has a subtle cooling effect. It's not heavy or greasy. Hydrating glycerin, sunflower seed oil, and this light airy lotion gets wrinkles and dry patches back in line. Perfect, that's very nice. I will definitely use that. And the last thing in here is by Larizzi, and this is a Light Sticks Illuminator. I think this is full size, and this retails for, I think there's always like one full size thing in this box. This retails for $24. And oh. It's like barely anything. I will probably pass this on. This wasn't that great. The box is okay. I mean, the only thing that I'm kind of psyched about is the moisturizing lotion. So let's hope next month is more appealing. So that was it. If you guys want to know any of the details for this box, it'll be in the box below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.